Alright folks, so let's see what we have today. Let's go to the start menu and we're going to open up an Internet Explorer window to www.ustream.tv. Today's topic of how-to sessions with Rick, the wireless producer. Please notice the login, sign up and broadcast now buttons on the top right hand side of the window. Right below that you'll have a navigation bar of categories, and below that the video of the day. In the blue bar with the yellow button is the download button. That's what I want you guys to click. You can also navigate, scroll down the page, and you'll find the same Ustream Producer download link right down there. So click on the top one or this one. Either way, you'll be taken to the download page. You'll have a intro video in terms of what Ustream Producer does, and then you'll have the text here in terms of the kind of functionality that you'll have available. Things like displaying your desktop, screen sharing, live casting, and so on and so forth. Multiple cameras too. Download the Mac or PC, the free Ustream version, or the $100.99 version. Either way, you'll be okay. For now, we're going to download the Ustream Producer PC version. I've tested the Mac and it's okay. I've also tested the Ustream Producer $199, and that's pretty kick-ass. So notice the application is very small, 11.8 megabytes. You can save it, but really with such a small footprint, you might as well just run it. It's going to start installing, and at the end of it, it's going to have an icon at the bottom just like this one. For our demonstration purposes, I've already downloaded it, so now I've clicked it. But while yours is downloaded, you can go back to the web page and look for the sign up button on the right hand side. Now let's go ahead and create your user account. So click on that. It's going to open up the login new account window. Because you don't have one, we're going to say new account. Click on the login button, and you can type in any user login you want. For the password, then of course you're going to type any password you choose, and then on the password you're going to verify that as well. Oops, forgot to type in the password, so make sure that the password and the verification are exactly the same. Then you'll have a couple of other buttons to fill and click on. For example, the birthday, year, month, and day. I don't look so young, but I'm gonna give myself, let's see, 2005, and let's go ahead and then in the email, you can fill out the month and day yourselves, and in the email I'm gonna put user@anyemail.com. And notice the verification code there. It'll be specific to you guys. For me, it's OZ7CVA, and I'm gonna go ahead and type that in. Remember to agree to the terms of use and of course the privacy policy. It's pretty standard. We're looking at copyrighted material and anything that's obscene, and ill conceived. So pretty standard. Click on submit. By the time you do that, hopefully the application, which is only 12 megabytes, will have downloaded already, and you'll click on it and you'll see the Ustream Producer login window, username and password. You can choose to enter that information now, so you can log in and begin broadcasting, or you can choose to enter that information right before you start broadcasting. It's that easy. For now, let's go ahead and type in any login you want, and any password you choose. We'll click on login, and that gets us into the Ustream Producer window. Notice that I've already have a couple of shots pre-configured here, and the reason being is of course for time constraints. Otherwise the video would be a lot longer. So the idea behind the shots is to have shots already pre-configured, like the picture-in-picture that you see right now, the zoom in and things of that nature. So the way that you create those and modify those shots is through the pull-down windows. Notice in the left-hand side where you just see the how to use Ustream. That's the preview window, and on the right-hand side we're looking at the live window. The arrow that's pointing right now to my forehead is actually pointing to the buttons that are behind there, which are the go-to transitions, and so